Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a very special Western Star glider kit day cab to show you today. It's got a single turbo cat, 13 speed. It's only got 211,000 miles on it, and it's got a fresh overhaul just done. Less than 1,000 miles on the inframe. It's got a wet kit on it. They're extremely nice truck. Let's go ahead and get it fired up. I've gotten it hot this morning, so I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath, show you the engine, frame rails, everything that you want to see. There's your total miles. Temps dropped just a little bit, but it's almost there. You get a really good idea on the oil pressure. Where it's sitting right now is extremely high on the low side, super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps on up there. And with this overhaul just being done, ready to go to work. Really nice. Higher level interior with the button tuck. Elbow light on it. Overall, extremely clean underneath. It's got a little bit of rust on it. Some of the brackets, some of the bolts, but the frame rail overall is extremely clean. Cool paint scheme. Frame's not finished. Got a really cool look to it. You want a single turbo cat, sweet work truck, this is it. Excellent rubber. It's got a split tank on this side for your hydraulics. Air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Good brakes. I like these half fenders as well too, that's really cool. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, and also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.